In today's video, I'll show you guys how to install mods in Batman Arkham Asylum. Check my video description for this mod list. Choose the mod you like to install. For this tutorial, I'm gonna install this Batman PS2 Batsuit. This is the one. To install this mod, you need a TFC Installer and game patch. Check my video description for download link. First, download this Batman PS2 suit and download the game patch. No damage legacy. Download this. The, the final mod TFC installer. Once download done, right click on the Batman Begins and select WinRAR and select Extract to. Do the same thing for other mods. Right click on the game and select Open File Location. Go back to game folder and drag and drop the extracted TFC installer inside of a game folder. Open the TFC installer. Open the TFC installer application and select more info and select run anyway option. Select the game folder and navigate to game folder. Select the game folder and select folder option. Select mod folder and navigate to downloads and open the Batman Begin PS2. Select the mash folder and select folder option. Select the update Batman Asylum. Again select the mod folder. This time select textures and select folder option. Update. Once this done, select the mod folder and navigate to downloads and open no damage. Select the no damage folder and select folder option, select update. Once this done, we have successfully installed the mod. If you want to restore, then select restore backup and select original game state and select restore option to get back to previous state. And now launch the game. I show you guys the mod is working. And as you can see, we have successfully installed the mod. And I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.